Welcome to another unboxing on my bed. Now this is an unusual one because I came across these Reebok Classics in a store and it was on sale, so I got it not thinking much of it. But they are so amazingly comfortable. They are probably the best basketball boots I have ever owned, and I absolutely love basketball boots. If you look at my reviews, I've got the Nikes, Blazers, I've got the Pumas as well. So I'm well into these, but these are probably the best ones that I've ever owned. And here is what we've got. It's a bit of a cheat because when I actually looked at it in the store, they were on sale. They were like $40, so it's equivalent like 30 UK pounds. If you look on the web, you can get them really cheap as well. They're on some kind of discount. I couldn't help it. So when I bought it from the stores, I just put my Nike Blazers in the box and put these on my feet because they were really cool and they look good. Everyone kept looking at them. They're very cool. So we've got these Reeboks. They are very nice. I mean, look at the style on them. They are absolutely the most comfortable boots that I've had on, compared to even if you're looking at the Vans, old schools. These are probably more comfortable, if not as comfortable as the Vans. So they are really good. I don't know what to say apart from that. But they are really underrated. So if you get the opportunity to get these, then feel free, because they are very good value. If you look around on the web, you'll find that they are going for really good prices at the moment. So these are the Reebok Classic basketball boots. They're very comfortable to wear as well. You've got the inside bit. This is a size 9.5 for the UK, 10.5 for the US, and 44 for Europe as well. But they're very cool. They're absolutely very cool. Again, if you get the opportunity, have a look around on the web. You can find them on eBay, but they're really expensive for some reason on eBay. But they're really cheap on some other websites. So yeah, enjoy.